Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. I miss you all very much, and I hope that everyone has been staying safe and healthy. Today is Friendly Friday for Spirit Week, and we are posting messages of kindness in the classroom stream. Mine is a quote. When we seek to discover the best in others, we somehow bring out the best in ourselves. I want you guys to think about what that could mean. What does it mean to see the best in others? And how could that possibly make us better as people? If you have an idea, feel free to comment on this post. And please do post your own message of kindness today. Have a great day, a great weekend. Try to relax and spend time with the people you love.